Hello and good evening. Welcome to Chulbuli Aishanamo. So what happened, I'll tell you. I was getting a lot of FOMO about AI. So I said, let's start with the AI series. The AI series on our channel Chulbuli Aishanamo is called as the AI Playbook. You can check our first video which is based on ChatGPT. What are the uses of it? We will be coming up with a detailed demo on ChatGPT very soon. So today's video, we are going to cover prompting. So what is an AI prompt? An AI prompt can be a question, a statement or a command to an AI model which could be an LLM, which could be an AI tool to generate a particular response from the AI. This particular prompt which you will give will actually guide AI to generate a particular response which you want, a response or an output. The prompt that you give to an AI is the instruction and the AI's reply is the output. So that's why prompt engineering means designing your instructions in the best possible manner to get the best output that you want. So for example, I gave ChatGPT a prompt to make me a thumbnail image for my video on Navratri, and this is what it created. So this was just an example. Of course, I made a very detailed prompt so that the output was very good. So hence, powerful prompts means powerful outputs. So let's dive into how to make better prompts. So there are 6 components to generate better prompts. So the first component is defining the task. Here you clearly state the AI what do you want from it. For example, you can mention make me a YouTube script, write me an email, make me an image. All these are prompts where you are defining the task. The second component is giving it a context. That means you have to provide additional information to the AI. For example, this YouTube thumbnail is for my Navratri video. So make it look very festive, youthful, colorful, bright and vibrant in colors. The third component is to assign a role to the AI. That means telling the AI who it should act like. So for example, act like a digital marketing manager and give me social media ideas, or act like a stockbroker and give me ideas to rebalance my portfolio. Assigning a role makes the output more strategic, analytical and in tune with the real world perspectives. The fourth component is to specify the format. For example, make me a logo with vibrant colors like yellows, reds, orange, green, and use the fonts which are creative and the look has to be stylish and modern. The fifth component is to give the consideration of your audience. That means the output is for whom, that you have to mention it. Example, target audience is between 25 to 45 young professionals who are looking for stylish ideas. The sixth component is to redefine and iterate. That means you don't stop at the first attempt. You make changes into your prompt so that you get a better output and result. So the conclusion is, if you follow these 6 steps, if you follow these 6 components, you will get absolutely wonderful results from any AI tool or AI model. So keep following us for more knowledge and updates on AI and digital marketing.